Hi boys and girls, you have been so on the ball. Let's just do a couple more examples to make sure you've nailed it. 6,615 divided by 21. Scrap piece of paper. Working out our 21 times table. I've already done it just up until number 6, but should I need to do more, I will come back and add more. I've put on my page, Daddy, Mommy, Sister, Brother. I'm all good to go. The recipe for success. 21 goes into 6. It doesn't go. 21 goes into 66. Yes, it does go into 66. Let's go across to our times table. If I times it by 2, I get 42. If I times it by 3, I get 63. So it's going to be the 3. We pop the 3 up on the top. We've done divide. Now we move on to multiply. Moving on to subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 6 is nothing. Now we've done subtract, and we need to bring down. Becomes a 1. We start again at Daddy divide. 21 goes into 31 one time. 1 times 21 is 21. Divide and multiply has been done. Subtract 21 from 31. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. And we bring down the 5. 21 goes into 105. Oh my gosh, I have to look at my scrap paper. Is there a number 105? Yes, there's the 105. So the 5 goes at the top. 5 times 21 is 105. I've done the daddy, the mommy. I'm moving on to subtract. 5 take away 5 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. 6,615 divided by 21 is 315. Well done, you beauts. Now, sometimes you might get a sum which has a dollar sign or a rand sign or a pound sign. That is the type of some symbol which means a currency, and when we're doing our division sum, we completely ignore it. It just means that this is an amount in money terms, but we ignore that symbol until the end. Right, moving across, I'll show you that I've already done my 87 times table. Okay, remember, daddy, mommy, sister, brother, and I'm ready for success. 87 into 8, it doesn't go. 87 into 80, it doesn't go. 87 into 800, let's go across. If I times it by 10, it'll be too big, so it must be 9. 87 times 9 is 783. So I pop the 9 up at the top. I've done the divide, moving on to the multiply. 9 times 87, oh gosh, I've just got to go and remember, is 783. So I pop 783 over there. I've done the multiply. I'm moving on to sister. 0 take away 3. Oh, I can't take away 3 from 0. I need to go knock on the neighbor's door. The neighbor's got nothing to borrow. So I have to go to the next neighbor. And the 8 will become a 7. And this will become a 10. But now I'm going to take away from the 10. And that will become 9. And this will become 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 8 is 1. 7 take away 7 is nothing. So I've done the subtract, and now I bring down and it becomes 174. 87 goes into 174 how many times? I need to go across here. Oh, there is 174. So it is 2 times, and I put my 2 up at the top. 2 times 87 is 174. Take away 0, 0, 0. Bring down, this is a part that I could have forgotten. But remember the last number I brought down was a 4, and there's still this 0 that needed to be brought down. 87 goes into 0, 0 times. So when we look at the original sum, we can see that it had a dollar sign. So therefore our number is going to have a dollar sign. There were 2 places after the comma. So there's got to be 2 places after the comma. And that would be your answer. This is for very clever children. And I think you can do it.